Pre-Mauryan period, emergence of Mahajanapadas. Mauryan Empire, which emerged in the 3rd century BCE, was preceded by a period known as the Mahajanapada era. The Mahajanapadas were ancient territorial and political units in India that existed from the 6th century BCE to the 4th century BCE. During the pre-Mauryan period, the Mahajanapadas emerged as powerful kingdoms and republics in different parts of the Indian subcontinent. The term Mahajanapada translates to great realm or great country and refers to the major political units that emerged during this time. There were 16 Mahajanapadas in total, although the exact number varied over time. Some of the prominent Mahajanapadas included Magad, Kosala, Vatsa, Avanti, Gandhara, Kuru, and Anga. Each Mahajanapada had its own capital city and was ruled by either a king or a republic. The emergence of Mahajanapadas marked a transition from tribal societies to more centralized states. They were characterized by a shift from rural settlements to urban centers, the rise of monarchical authority, and the development of organized armies and administrative systems. Economic activities during this period included agriculture, trade, and craftsmanship. The Mahajanapadas had both internal and external trade relations, with the latter involving connections with regions like Persia and Central Asia. The Mahajanapada era was also marked by social and religious developments. Rise of urban centers led to the growth of the merchant class and the emergence of a new social order. Buddhism, Jainism, two major religions that challenged the authority of the Brahmin priests, gained popularity during this time. Mahajanapada period laid the foundation for the subsequent Mauryan Empire. The Kingdom of Magad, located in present-day Bihar, gradually gained prominence and became the most powerful Mahajanapada. Under the leadership of Chandragupta Maurya, the Mauryan Empire was established, bringing most of the Indian subcontinent under a centralized imperial rule.